Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something new, something kind of different, but not really different because we've made pancakes before. But this is keto friendly, low carb breakfast pancakes. It's made out of coconut flour. Okay, so let me just take you through how I made these delicious pancakes. Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my coconut flour pancakes. For these coconut flour pancakes, there's not much difference between this pancake and the regular pancake, except for this I'm using coconut flour as opposed to the regular flour that we use. And I'm using some cane sugar, the brown caramel toned cane sugar. I'm using 3 eggs and I'm using a cream, half and half. Okay, so I'm just going to be mixing the dry ingredients and then I'll mix the wet ingredients first before I mix everything together. So just come with me while we make the coconut flour pancakes together. Okay, so right now I already put all my dry ingredients: the cane sugar, the coconut flour, and the salt. Coconut pancakes has become really popular. I love it and I think you're gonna love it too. So right now I'm gonna put the eggs and then my cream. So these coconut pancakes can be used as your breakfast. This is my eggs. I'm putting my 3 eggs. Can be used for your breakfast. It's low carb and keto friendly. Okay, and my heavy cream. This is half and half. So I'm just gonna stir this together. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water. Quickly, in order to get rid of the lumps. Rid of the seeds, and I added a little bit of water because it was too thick. So now you see how smooth it looks. This is pretty easy to make, easy and delicious. Easy to make and delicious to eat. So I'm just gonna put the pan on the fire now to heat up a little bit with a little bit of oil or butter, or whatever you want to use. Some people tend to put some butter in here or some oil, but I just decided to leave out the oil and the butter. Okay, I think it's done now. It's time to heat up the pan. So right now I have my pan ready. I'm just going to drop a little bit of oil, just a little bit. And I'll allow it to heat up a little bit. So right now the pan is a little bit hot. Just going to drop a little at a time. I'll leave that to cook. So right now I see some bubbles coming like that, so I have to flip. So right now, these ones are just about done. So I'll repeat the process for the rest. So guys, our coconut flour pancakes are ready. They taste so good and they are irresistible. Trust me. So try this and let me know what you think. Leave your comments below. If there's any recipe you want me to make, please feel free, leave your comments and I'll get back to you. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.